What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. As many of you may know, I'm Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we'll be sorting through a list of camping and survival essential items by NDuR. The first and biggest item we'll take a look at today is the NDuR 9-piece cookware mess kit. You can have a look at that here. You'll receive one 61-ounce pot, a 47-ounce pot, 2 frying pans, a kettle, 2 mugs, and a universal gripper. This is a great kit to have when you're out in the wilderness because it's durable, it's lightweight, and it's compact. It comes with literally everything you need to cook a great meal outdoors. It's made of hard anodized aluminum, so it combines the best attributes of a very hard surface treatment with the quick and even heat transfer of aluminum. It's also extremely easy to clean and comes with a mesh carrying pouch for simpler transport. You can put it all together like the easiest to solve puzzle, throw it in your pack, and carry on with your day. The next item we're going to check out is the NDuR foldable mini stove. Now, I didn't have the chance to open this one up, but you can get a better idea of what it looks like from this picture here. It's a freestanding, portable, and lightweight outdoor stove that has a bi-directional folding design that is easy to set up and operate. It's made of stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and has a strong flame and high thermal efficiency. This is perfect for camping, backpacking, picnics, and more. Simply set it up, attach the hose to a propane canister, and you are ready to get cooking. Item number 3 is the NDuR mini stove windshield. These are a great accessory to have with the portable stove, and can actually improve the efficiency of it by shielding the stove from the wind. This lightweight shield is made from aluminum, has pegging pins for improved stability, and has grooves in the bottom for ventilation. It seems as though they've already thought of everything, but just wait because we're not done yet. Next up on our list is the NDuR Lensatic compass with a metal case included, pictured here. It's a great item to have in your survival bag to help if a situation arises where you are separated from your group, lost your way on the trail, or find yourself in a dire, drastic survival situation. It's easy to read, compact, and with its metal carrying case, it's super durable. Keep with me here, there's more. Next, we have this NDuR Fire Steel and Striker. This is super easy and safe to use. It's used by avid outdoorsmen, survivalists, and military members all over the world. It will light a fire or ignite the fuel in a camping stove in rain or snow and generates a 5,400 degree Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius spark. You can get it in small and mini sizes. This one here is a large, which will give you approximately 12,000 strikes. That's insane. Last but certainly not least, we have the NDuR Survival Chainsaw. Here you can see it up close. This really is an exceptional tool. It's easy to pack away, it's lightweight and heavy duty. This hand chainsaw is ideal for building shelters and for cutting firewood in survival situations, as well as for campers, backpackers, fishermen, hikers, homeowners, or survivalists. It's a superb hand-operated pocket-sized survival chainsaw made from riveted sections of bi-directional chainsaw-style cutting teeth, and has extended longevity comparable to a traditional bow saw. It'll cut anything from a thin branch to a large trunk and can be thrown over high branches for cutting above head height. All of these awesome essentials can be found on our website at lockharttactical.com. Don't wait any longer because the season is here that these will be flying off of the shelves. You can also find other NDuR products through us too. Items such as canteens, filtration bottles, safety whistles, and more. The direct link for all of these products can be found in the description right below this video, so go give them a click for more information. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop us a comment, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.